My name is Seung Hwan and I'm with SwiftEngine. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to read data from the database with SwiftEngine. We learned to create a collection using MLab and inserted some arbitrary data into the database in previous videos. If you have not watched the previous video, please do so in order to successfully follow this tutorial. So this is Postman, as you guys probably remember if you watched it. We inserted some data into the database. Let's go check it. mlab.com. We go to tutorial. Oh, look at that. We have one document inserted. That's a good sign. So in today's video, we are going to read data from the database. As covered in the last video, MongoDB is an open source document database that uses JSON-like documents. This being said, we'll learn how to iterate through the results we get by reading documents from the database and to return the results in JSON format. Don't worry about parsing the results since our best friend MongoKitten has simple methods that help us with this problem. I'll show you how to read data from the database and return it in JSON format. Now, if you can, I'll demonstrate how to read data from the database. Let's go to swiftengine.io and then open up our file, tutorial.ssp. So as usual, we will use requestAddHandler method to capture the get request. Now let's start coding. I'm just gonna copy this because we're great but lazy coders, and then just change this to the get method. So far so good. Okay, so according to MongoKitten's documentation, reading comes in two forms: counting and finding entities. So first thing is, I'm gonna make a variable called count, which is going to be int type, and then try document.count. So what this line does basically is get the count number of entire data in our database. The collection, documents is a collection named document in our database, right? And it's returning the number of data in it. And then I'm gonna create another variable called all entities. This is going to be collection slice document type. So as you guys can see, it's such a complicated name, and it's a variable type in MongoKitten. If you guys are curious what it is, you guys can go ahead and check out in the documentation. But in order for us to use this, we have to convert it into a certain format. And I'm going to do that now. Let docs, array of document, and then array. So simply we convert it into an array, all entities. And then this will be automatically changed into the array type of documents, which is awesome. And then we're gonna create another variable called let's first entity, because we can get the first entity, and this only returns one entity, by the way. Try documents find one. Yes, it's find one. And then we put this because we're force unwrapping it, and then we're gonna create a variable called document that's going to hold document format, count, right? And then so many things. First entity, and then array. That's going to have, unfortunately we're not going to have an array because we only have one document inside our database, but whatever. That's for testing purposes, just do it. And then we're gonna print it out as usual. Dictionary representation is ready. Save it, and then you guys remember how to test it? That's how we're gonna test it. Oh, there's an error. Let's find why. Collection find, make sure function definition proceeds its use. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake there. I'm sorry. It's documents. There we go. Save it and then run it again. Oh, there's an error again. Oh, and the good thing about SwiftEngine is it tells you what to do. You just simply follow and then make this as a string to any document type, and then let's see what happens. Great. Thank you for watching the video today, and then see you guys again.